Beautiful and amazing people. Wonders they say it shall never end. The moment where you build relationship on amebo they say I say who say that relationship e no fit ever last. Most especially when you build am for inside lie. Na that same lie na im go scatter am. Una know say when Reji come out come talk say Leila Cheremi, the Moroccan wife of Ipa, say she wanted to be her by all means. Like she wanted to become Regina by all means. Doing everything humanly possible to take her place and to condemn her for where Ipa dey. But the grace wey she carry and the love wey Ipa don get for her, e no fit she no fit weigh am at all. But to continue to dey enter bush dey come dey go dey come. Na now e dey very very clear because Juliana Ned Nwoko first daughter finally don come reveal a lot of secrets wey be say we bin no know wey dey play for inside that house. My people, make una draw una chair come closer, make una come hear matter. Before I go cap una the cocoa of the cocoline, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I have una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God to beg una, make una help us subscribe, hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small thing o. Una know say Reji bin don tell us say for Ipa house, lot of things dey happen, including competition, including I want to be like you. The beginning when Regina came, everybody was peaceful, everybody was happy. We even see a video where Reji was not feeling fine, abi she give birth, abi she's about to give birth, where they admit her for hospital, where Leila go check up on her, stay with her for some time. The very beginning, the relationship was there. Everything was peaceful and they were living their moment. All of a sudden, as competition no fit ever finish for polygamous family, everybody want to be the best. Most especially when they come dey like the Reji. Everybody want to be around her because she's fun to be with. She know all the play, all the tactics to keep people around, to keep people safe. You get na that kind thing. She get all the tactics already. So all the whole children come dey like her. They want to associate with her. They want to do a lot with her. Wey make Leila come go lie to Ipa say Reji want Nakademus her daughter. Say Reji dey do man, dey do woman. Una remember when they still bring am come media space where Leila talk am say Reji dey do im daughter. When she go report to Ipa, Ipa come take drastic measures. This one, that one, they just dey beat around the bush. Wey make Regina Daniel come out come talk say shebi as she dey do woman, she also do the Leila join because she no know. Make Leila come answer. Wey make people come dey talk say say a lot of things dey happen for inside that Ned Nwoko house. In that Ned Nwoko's house, lot of things is really happening, of which they need to question him. They need to come investigate him, investigate his wife, including the children and everything wey he ever bring come this life wey he come keep. Now people thought Regina just dey talk out of the druggy based on say Ipa don talk say she dey take druggy, whereas she was very very right. Now when Regina came into the picture, when she came to the house, not only Leila being her friend, even Juliana Ned Nwoko daughter, na small na she take senior Regina Daniel. So even that one too, that's why she dey follow Regina back to back. They dey snap picture, they do a lot of things, they dey go outing, they enjoy the moment, they live their life like no man business. You get? So all of a sudden, things started changing. The Regina too come observe some kind signs. They say who no observe signs go later see wonders. As she observe some kind signs, na im she give space o. She comot hand for the Juliana matter. The Juliana too comot hand for her matter. Whereas na Leila na im go dey tell Juliana some kind things, both the one wey Reji do and the one wey Reji no do, all put together. E combine am give Juliana. Juliana come dey see am now like Regina wey no be her mate, wey also use opportunity because of im papa money come marry im papa, na im go still come dey do dis kind thing. They no ask question o, she no ask question. She just start dey keep enmity with the Regina Daniel. Not until now wey the thing finally gbes. Wetin join dem be say, you know say Juliana dey always come check up on im papa. Im and im papa na 5 and 6, e no dey use im papa dey play. Im papa too no dey use am dey play. As e come around, e come see the kind reaction wey Jeremy come dey display according to the information allegedly. Say e come dey see some kind way wey Madam Morocco take dey do some kind waka she no understand. So she come first of all go ask the children say, wetin happen? Why una mother just get as e be? She call the grown up one. Dat one say e no know. Na she come say okay, she like dis. She just pack well. She no even bother to push further. She say no wahala. As the papa come back after they had their dinner, they about to go to bed, na she come call the father say she wan talk to am. Make dem sit down for sit out for outside. Na im dem go sit down for sit out o. The girl come dey ask the father say, wetin happen wey Morocco, Madam Morocco no dey lively? She no dey okay. She's just like she's not okay. Like she get some kind attitude wey she dey display. Na im Ipa come talk say say she been dey complain about being the queen of Anioma. That is, Ipa no gree carry her. You know say they don start campaign wey they dey talk about this Anioma state matter. So because of say a lot of controversies now dey concerning the Anioma state drama, say a lot of things now dey underground wey dem talk say im go jack some communities wan come join am with Anioma state, Ibanke and others. E wan join dem. So lot of things still dey ground wey im dey try to work. Whether im no explain to her say things and things dey ground o, na im make her dey show face, na im make her dey busy or something. But I'm sure I'm going to still introduce you to the people when the time come, and you are going to be the first lady since Reji no dey in the picture. But if she return before then definitely na she go be, because na she wey the Anioma people say dem want. You go explain to her, abi you no gree carry her along because of say a lot of things dey ground already. Na only God na im know. So she was not aware. She just dey form attitude say she dey vex, say Ipa no wan carry her do anything. Na to just keep her for one place. When Reji was in the picture, na everyday na im dey carry her go political meeting. Shebi she's not beautiful enough? Abi something dey worry her wey im see wey im no fit talk? Abi some spiritual lewu dey for her body? Like she just express herself in a way to Ipa. Na Ipa again come use annoyance say why she go even talk that in the first place. You understand, na as men dey behave. So that last na she go be the one to come apologize to am. But she never ready to apologize, but she still dey tie face put for the matter. Couple with the fact say e no gree carry her go join her with this senators wife association, because Reji na im be their social secretary before this whole thing start. So as she no dey there now, definitely she will need a replacement. They need somebody from Ipa's own end that will come and take after the Reji. Still Ipa, whether im still get hope say Reji go return or something, na only God na im know. But e no gree carry Leila go the wakama. So whether she too she don dey feel am say omo, this marriage e be like say na only me na im dey am. Na only me fit stand for this man. This man no ready to stand with me. and this is not what he promised me. Now they say she start dey form attitude. Tey he form the attitude reach where im daughter dey Juliana, knowing fully well that she no dey use her papa dey play. Anything wey touch the papa, e don touch her. And no be say she really love the Leila like that to come choose Leila over her papa. So that one alone is a no no for her. Na she come dey talk say see person o. Say na now she know say if Leila no dey in good terms with anybody, with somebody, na so she go dey tie face dey look for wetin she go do wey go make you hate the other person. But sorry, this one na her papa. She no fit talk wetin go make her hate her. Na she come dey go back to all the things wey Leila told her about Reji when Regina was there. Na she come say say she don offend Regina o. Say imagine all the things wey Leila dey display that time. Who knows whether na out of pain, out of jealousy say Regina don come collect im husband for im hand. She wey be say na she be queen before Regina come. Na she dey carry go everywhere. Now na Regina na im come take over the space. She is not happy. So last na Juliana come dey sober only how in her mind. Come dey say so it automatically means that all the while wey she dey hate on Reji no be because of say Regina is a bad person. Na all the things wey Leila tell her was just a cover up so that she go hate Regina. Say how I wish she fit see Regina to apologize, but it's already too late. Nothing wey she fit do. Say but she sha knows for sure say all the while because she dey already dey see Leila as a mother, because when their mama no dey there, na Leila na im stand as a mother just the way e stand as mother now to Regina Daniel children. So she don already see her, they dey very close. She no believe say Leila na im go come dey tell her some kind things wey she bin come dey believe that year, come dey hate on Regina. Say they dey quarrel. She go tell her say unfortunate you dey use my papa head. You dey use, as in she dey fight for Leila no be small. You dey watch dey give my papa only you. Na you wan dey in charge. You wan chop thank you, chop very much. Anything wey you tell my papa, na my papa go do. Other wives nko, see my mama dey there, this one that one. See Leila wey dey inside the house, she's being treated like say she's a commoner. Able to see her husband na problem. That one now no suppose be Reji fault. If your husband no gree come house, na you go know wetin you go do to take drag am come house. But still all dey put am for Reji head. At the end of the day, it is what it is. Na im the lady now come dey talk say say omo she really don offend Regina Daniel. Say if to say she know, she for dey neutral, stay for one place so that she no go offend anybody. Because now it's becoming very very clearer that Leila actually lied on Regina Daniel towards the as in to make her hate her so that she go come love the Leila. Now I say normally for polygamy, no be everything wey dem tell you na you go believe now. Because Regina get respect for im husband children, down from the big one to the small one. No mean say she be mumu, she no know wetin she dey do. Wey go make you come dey drag her. Dey even dey talk her say she came for your father's money. This one that one. Na im make Regina just pack am well for one side. Say till forever and ever o. Till you ready pack those things go give your children for house. Me, you no go see me o. You no go see my children o. This one that one o. But last she later see the children because now dem dey there with her. Na wetin the Nedwoko daughter come finally talk. She conclude within her mind that she has offended Reji, knowing fully well that normally for this life, in as much as say you dey in competition with everybody, if the other person dey smile, dey happy with others, is a big pain for your heart, because you go dey feel am like wetin happen wey be say me dem no dey play with me, na only she dem wan come dey play with. You no understand. So last last na wetin happen be that. Now Lily don come realize her mistake, wey come make her dey talk say if she see Reji now say she go ask for forgiveness. She just revealed that it was Leila that pushed her to do some kind things wey she do to Regina, and also some kind insult wey she don settle down calm down first she give Reji. But last last that she is sorry, she never meant it that way. But it is already too late because the Reji don leave una papa alone, don focus on her life, dey pray for her children make e feel better for them, because she know talk say as e be say Ipa wan prove a point, e no go wan use the children play. E go wan try all im best, try thank you, try very very much, so that e go fit meet up. But it is what it is. Now una dey feel say if Lily go beg Regina Daniel make she forgive her, abi make she dey just dey for their day. If person say e no wan carry you go senator's wife, e dey take im time, you too you go respect yourself. Say no be everywhere normally dey suppose see you. You dey in competition with a lady wey no dey in competition with you. So na true na im the Regina bin dey talk over time. It is well o. God, anything polygamy, that's why I dey tell people, be careful what you tap, because be careful what you pray for, so that make e no come your way, you go come dey talk say had I know, I for no do am like that, I for no do am like this, and that one for worse pass. My people, na the matter be this o. I say make I suffer come drop am for una say e never reach anywhere. People wey gather to destroy, they don later dey gather now to arrange am because e no work in their favour. Yes o, make una come make we interact for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.